Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have in bracket 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 all raised to power 2 plus in bracket 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 2 all raised to power 2 equals 48. And here, let us solve for the value of x. Let us solve this. So solution, we have in brackets 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 all raised to power 2 plus in brackets 2x minus 3 over x minus 2 all raised to power 2 is equal to 48. With this, we are then going to multiply through by 1 over 4. So multiply this by 1 over 4, multiply this by 1 over 4, multiply this by 1 over 4. So from here, we then have that, first of all, we can write 1 over 4 can be written as 1 over 4 is equal to, in brackets, 1 over 2 all raised to power 2. So we can then write this equation as this. We have in brackets 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 2 all raised to power 2, then plus in brackets 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 4 all raised to power 2 equals 48 over 4 is equal to 12. Then at this junction, we are then going to say that let 2x minus 3 equals u. So this equation then becomes in brackets u over u plus 1 all raised to power 2 plus in brackets u over u minus 1 all raised to power 2, and this equals 12. So we can then open the brackets such that we then have the equation as u squared over in brackets u plus 1 all raised to power 2 plus u squared over in brackets u minus 1 all raised to power 2 is equal to 12. Next, factorize out u squared from this equation. We have u squared into brackets 1 over in brackets u plus 1 all raised to power 2, then plus 1 over in brackets u minus 1 all raised to power 2, and this is equal to 12. So with this, we then have u squared then multiplied by, so u plus 1 all squared and u minus 1 all squared, the LCM is simply, we have in brackets u plus 1 all squared multiplied by u minus 1 all squared. So this will divide this. We have u minus 1 all squared, then times 1. It becomes u minus 1 all raised to power 2, then plus u minus 1 all squared. We divide this. We are left with u plus 1 all squared, then times 1, in brackets u plus 1 all raised to power 2. And this equals to 12. So opening the bracket, we have that u squared into bracket u minus 1 all squared is equal to u squared minus 2u plus 1. Then plus u plus 1 all squared is equal to u squared plus 2u plus 1. And this is divided by, so we have u plus 1 all squared times u minus 1 all squared is equal to, in brackets, u squared minus 1 all raised to power 2, and this is equal to 12. So from here, we have that minus 2u, we cancel out, plus 2u. So we then have the equation u squared into brackets. So u squared plus u squared is equal to 2u squared plus 1 plus 2 all divided by, now expanding this bracket, u squared minus 1 all squared is equal to u raised to power 4 minus 2u squared plus 1, and this is equal to 12. So from this, factorize out 2, this becomes 2u squared into brackets u plus 1, u squared plus 1, then divided by u raised to power 4 minus 2u squared, then plus 1, and this is equal to 12. So then if we divide both sides by 2, so this then implies that we have u squared u squared into brackets. So into brackets u squared plus 1. So we have u squared plus 1, then divided by u raised to power 4 minus 2u squared plus 1. Okay, close brackets. So close the bracket, and this equals to 6 once we divide both sides by 2. Okay, so good. Next, multiply this equation by the denominator, which is u power of 4 minus 2u squared plus 1. This then becomes u squared into bracket u squared plus 1 is equal to 6 into bracket u power of 4 minus 2u squared plus 1. And from here, u squared times u squared, u raised to power 4 plus u squared is equal to 6u power of 4 minus 12u power of 2 plus 6. Next, if we then rearrange this equation, we then have this equation to become 6u power of 4 minus u raised to power 4, then minus 12u squared, then minus u squared plus 6, and this equals 0. So 6u power of 4 minus u power of 4, 5u raised to power 4 minus 13u squared, then plus 6 equals to 0. At this junction, we are then going to say that let u squared equals t. So this equation becomes 5t then squared minus 13t then plus 6 equals 0. So with this equation is factorizable. We have 5t squared minus 13t can be written as minus 10t minus 3t plus 6 equals to 0. So with this, factorize out 5t from this. We have 5t into bracket t minus 2. Factorize out minus 3 from this, minus 3 into bracket t minus 2. And this is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to 0. Now we have a common factor, t minus 2, t minus 2, pick one, t minus 2. Then we have 5t minus 3, and this equals to 0. So equating this to 0, we have t minus 2 equals 0, or we have 5t minus 3 equals 0. From here, the value of t is equal to plus 2. From this, the value of t is equal to 3 over 5. Next, recall that we said let u square equals to t. So writing this down, recall that we said u squared is equal to t. So for the value of t as 2, this becomes u squared is equal to 2, and u squared is equal to t as 3 over 5. So from here, if we should square root the both sides of the equation, this then implies that u is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. And while for this, if we square root the both sides of the equation, this implies that u is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 over 5. Okay, so and from here, if we simplify this further, we have that the value of u is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 over square root of 5, such that we can then multiply the numerator by square root of 5 and divide by the square root of 5. So with this, the value of u is equal to plus or minus root 3 times root 5 is equal to root 15, then divided by root 5 times root 5 is equal to 5. And meanwhile, we got the other one that u is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. Next, to then solve for the value of x, so right here, recall from this that we said let 2x minus 3 equals to u. So writing this down, that 2x minus 3 is equal to u right here. So recall that 2x minus 3 is equal to u. So for u as plus or minus root 2, this becomes 2x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. And with this then implies that the value of x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 2 divided by 2. And this is the first and the second solution of the value of x. Meanwhile, to solve for the other value of x, with making use of u equals to plus or minus root 15 over 5, this then becomes that we have 2x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 15 divided by 5. And with this, we then have the value that if we move minus 3 over to this side, this becomes 2x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 15, then divided by 5. 3 can be written as over 1, then 2x is equal to, the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 over 5, so we have 15, then plus or minus the square root of 15. So from here, if we then divide both sides by 2, so times 2. So 2, we divide 2. We then have the solution of x, that x is equal to 15 plus or minus the square root of 15 all over 5 times 2 is 10. And this is the third and the fourth solution of the value of x. So these are the four solutions of x for this given question. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.